So on this first little hammered with cars shorts, I'll kind of be documenting and going over some of the cars that I am co-driving with, since I do not have my car to drive as it is parted out now. So what I'm driving today is this C6 Grand Sport Corvette. It's just got some basic mods done to it, as far as some sway bars. I know the rear sway bar is a Z06 sway bar, or comparable to a Z06 sway bar. The front sway bar, I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's what everyone says to run on the Z06s. This is according to the owner, Nick. And it's also got headers and then some coilovers from Ride Tech. So we'll be taking that out today. It's quite a bit more power than I've ever been used to. It feels, as far as I can tell right now, from sitting in it, very similar to a C5. So I'm glad I got a little bit of experience with the C5, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes.
Right about here and be like, "You ready?"
Yep.
Go.
So Nick and I went through the day battling each other back and forth. I struggled a little bit with getting clean runs due to the extra width of the car compared to what I've been used to. But finally we started putting down some clean runs and ended the day both in the 50-second range. I believe mine was I know you guys just saw it, I believe it was a 50.16 or something like that, and Nick was only 0.13 seconds behind me, so it was a really close battle throughout the day. We ended up in 4th and 5th place overall, and then I took first and Nick took second in our class. Taking the FTD was the Lotus Exige S of Edward Co. And I gotta say, the experience of driving the C6 Corvette has definitely given me something to think about, and simply added to the confusion of what to do next. Unfortunately for the Troll Patrol, we didn't leave completely unscathed, as Ryan's SRT4 sheared a lower ball joint on the passenger front tire, and basically drove the lower control arm into his RPF1, bringing the car to a complete halt. And as one of the corner workers put it,
we're gonna have to tow you off, like, here.
You can see it was quite bad. Here's a little closer look at that.
They are, what's the total? They should still make these because they're for FRSs. Okay. The fit, but...
Way to go, Brian.
Sending it. Proof he was sending it.
Proof he was sending it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.